Alright guys, here's a cheap way to install some factory hooks on your Jeep. Go pick these up at your local junkyard for $5 a piece. I was able to pull the bracket, the reinforcing bracket, the other little nut, and all came out as an assembly. I'm going to throw some fresh paint on them, just some spray paint, before I reinstall them into my Jeep. Let's do it. I'm just going to spray them down with some simple green. Let that soak for a minute. Rinse them down. Alright, I got the parts hanging in the booth. I'm just going to spray it with some of this Rust-Oleum matte finish custom shop paint. Take it up. Get a nice big coat of paint. Go back in about 10 minutes, give it another good coat. That'll be it. Alright, these parts have dried here in the booth for a couple days actually. I've been busy over the weekend. And I went ahead and did this rear window wiper arm that I picked up at the junkyard too, which had this plastic part that I have taped up here. Mine was missing that plastic part, which basically puts it into a home position when it parks. So we'll go ahead and pull the bumpers off and get these installed. You basically just need a few tools, some sort of pry bar, fork type thing, a punch, a 10mm socket, and a Phillips either screwdriver or a driver like I'm using here. Some of you may have like 5/16 bolts here instead of Phillips like mine does. I've noticed there's been differences at the ones I've seen at the junkyard. So basically we're going to remove these screws, 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. That guy right there. That's a 10mm that's right here, up facing up. And then you've got underneath, let's see if I can go under here. Ready? Underneath here, you've got 3 plastic things under there, and that's it. That's all that holds this bumper on. So I'll put the camera back over here. You can see the old Commando in the background there that we're working on. We're putting doing a diesel conversion in that Jeep for a customer. All right, we'll go ahead and remove these. I forgot about these 3. There's 3 plastic ones that are held on here too. You're going to need a Phillips and maybe a pry tool to get those off. Four screws here. Sorry, 3 screws there. Now this whole thing should just pop off. There's a couple of clips right up under here. there she goes. Try not to do that. You might want to put a blanket down if you're worried about your paint. I'm not worried about my paint on this because we're going to be repainting it and basically replacing this bumper soon anyways. Right. So basically, see inside here, this frame, the little brackets slide in there and then the hooks mount up underneath there. Super easy. Here's a James bonus tip. If you guys got a stud that you can't get out or you need to get out, like I've got one here that's in the way of me installing these hooks, I threaded on 2 nuts real tight against each other, and now I should be able to take a wrench and hopefully start driving this baby off. It's kind of hard to hold the camera and do this at the same time, but you use the one nut against the other one and it basically creates a head on there, and then you can get it off. Alright, I gotta put the camera up. Alright, it took me about 3 or 4 minutes to get that stud out. Not sure what it was in there for. I'm thinking maybe this Jeep had a tow bar maybe at one point. So, anyways. Alright, so if you pick this up from the junkyard, one of these 2 clips, you needed 2 of these. There's 2 squares up under the bumper, and you just, with the nut side up, you slide it up in there and get it up over that and get it hooked up on there. This Jeep already has the 2 in there, so I don't need to do it. Alright, so this hook is going to just basically bolt up just like that. Alright, so this bracket just drops down in there. The tab on the right side. Just like that. And then this just goes up in here like this. My first paint job. Oh no. I'm gonna have to get down here. I'm gonna have to get down. Get down, get down. This guy goes like this. I'm gonna put this one in first. Easy to get to. Alright, got them started. Put them down. Obviously I'm not getting crazy with torque wrench or anything. Just clamp them down nice and tight. You know, and I think if these are factory engineered, I'm pretty satisfied that they will they'll hold up under normal off-road towing abuse here. I am planning on, and that's it. I am planning on cutting this and making a winch mount for here, and maybe I'd keep these, probably won't. I'll probably end up moving up hooks welded to the steel bumper up higher. This will probably all get cut out. And I might even make a new radiator support as well. So that'll all be in future videos and down the road and through the woods. So for now, I've got something to, I'll have something at least to hook to and tow from if I get this thing stuck. This one back here. Alright, they're installed. Just need to throw the bumper back on and should be good to go. I think I might throw a screw in there too while I got the bumper off, because I noticed the bumper was hanging down a little bit. I'm going to throw a screw in there. Alright, the hooks are on. Torque down. Looks great. Paint color looks good. And I'm just going to throw the bumper back on. Let's do it. All right, so that looks great. Those little fangs hanging down there. It's factory, doesn't look out of place, and super functional. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope this helped you out and you're able to get some tow hooks on your Jeep for 10 bucks like I did. Go to your local junkyard. There's a lot of WJs in the junkyards now. They're 15 to almost 20 years old, and so there's a lot of parts available real cheap. So I think these are going to become more and more. We're going to see more and more WJs on the trails and out as expedition rigs, like the one I'm building here. All right, guys, I want to thank you for watching this video, and please like and subscribe to my channel and click the notification button. That way you can get updates on all the latest videos that I post. If you have any comments, please leave them below, and I always read every comment. And we'll see you out on the trail. Peace out.